YouArt AI agent completely changes the way you create product showcases. Let me show you how you can create amazing AI generated product advertisements like this one that you see right now on screen using YouArt's AI agent. We're going to begin by attaching an image of a shoe and we're going to create a prompt and we're going to ask YouArt to create multiple angles of this shoe that is worn by a young male. As we can see here, YouArt begins by creating a workflow that looks like comfy UI workflows. This is really amazing because I was searching for a tool that is able to create this kind of workflows because this allows us to fine-tune, fine-grain, and do changes while also tracking the prompts we used. So YouArt is able to do that, and I find it super amazing. Having these kind of workflows for your generation tasks really changes the game. Like you can go back, tune a little bit the prompt, get a new set of generations while keeping the whole workflow specific. By the way, if you want to try it out, I will leave the link for it down below in the description. As you can see, the prompt is automatically optimized, so you don't have to spend any time optimizing your prompt before giving it to the model. We can see here that we have Seedream version 4 doing the generation for us, and we get 4 different images initially. You can also track how the agent works on the right hand side. This is literally like cursor, but now for image generation and video generation. Literally, if you're an artist, if you work in product development, design, advertising, YouArt is probably a game-changing tool. This is pretty incredible. By the way, you can do changes and, for example, change the model from Seedream to Nano Banana Pro. You could literally set any kind of model you want here. And here we can see the results. We can go ahead and download the PNGs, which we can then put on our website. So let's see the PNG. Pretty amazing. We see here the model, we see here the shoe, different angles. This is just one of the generations. So in this case, I'm going to do the same process, but right now with Nano Banana Pro. We can select the resolution, so I'm going to go to 2K. I'm going to set the image to be a square, and I'm going to generate multiple images. This is super powerful because you could literally batch a big amount of images in just a single request. So I'm going to go ahead and change the workflow and regenerate everything. I also love how you could interact with the agent or do the changes yourself. I think this is very powerful because this is a human in the loop interaction, which is very important for people like me that need to fine-tune and change every little single detail. This kind of control over the workflow, its components, the individual settings that we have set is really powerful. So I'm going to ask it to create videos for us by using the image number 2, and as we can see here, it creates a new node with Hailuo 0.2 for the initial generation and correctly selects the second image, which is linked here through this beautiful line. So it's really as simple as that. You literally talk to the workflow just through this AI agent. This is incredibly powerful. You no longer have to switch tabs. Everything is within a single screen, and I find this super amazing. As we can see over here, they also got a variety of AI models for us to use. Literally, they've got pretty much any AI tool you want, and I think this is pretty amazing. You can also see how many credits each one of these will take. So while we wait for that, I'm going to also do a second request to the agent. Make a Sora 2 Pro video of image 3. So I'm going to also create a Sora 2 Pro video of image number 3. Let's see if the agent is going to be able to take these parameters and create that thing for us. So it very much correctly linked the image with Sora 2 Pro, and it begins the generation. Literally, this is amazing. So let's see the video that we generated. We can see multi-angle shots of the generation. Of course, we can see some artifacts here because this is not like the best model, but it could give us a little bit of a good preview of what we would like to do. So I highly suggest, this is a pro tip, begin with these cheap models initially to make exactly what you want, and after that, just go ahead and do the generation after you've tuned everything with a more powerful model. So essentially, you burn the minimum amount of funds while tuning exactly what you want, iterating over your idea and perfecting it. This is really cost effective, and I would highly suggest that you do exactly the same for your own prompts. Also, if you're interested in diving more, you can click here to view the guides for the workflows. So you could literally add guides like system prompts or whatever you need, and all of these you can save, so you could literally use again and again. Also, you can view the session history for all of your workflows that you have created. Also, by clicking on Show Nodes, you can see all of the nodes you could add to improve the final result of what you're creating. You can remove background, change angles, upscale images, or for video tools, you could literally go ahead and upscale your video using either Topaz or Flash VSR. Also, by clicking Show Templates, you can find public templates. By clicking this button to go into public mode, you can even create your own templates, which I find pretty amazing. So look at all of these kind of templates which you can use to create whatever you want. For example, here there is a Star Wars remake node, which I find super interesting. I'm not going to dive deep into them, but if you want to take ideas from other professionals, this is the way to go, guys. One other tip that I would highly suggest that you do is while you work with big workflows, make sure to keep everything organized. You know, every line and every node should be separable. So you want to make sure to keep everything organized. Otherwise, this could get very quickly super complicated. Don't worry, the canvas is literally infinite. Make sure to keep nice spacings and you can scale up from there. Also, you can click off auto run or even attach even more stuff for your generation. Highly suggest that you do everything through the chat interface of the agent. So let's see the final video here. So as we can see here, Sora 2 is absolutely awful at our generation. So let's try with Veo 3.1. Only thing we gotta do is just click here, select Veo 3.1, and then click run. You can also select to batch run, so we could literally generate multiple videos at once. I would highly suggest that if you found exactly what you want to make, or if you feel like the model may fail, make sure to select batch mode, generate a couple of videos to find the exact iteration you want. Every single time you generate a video, the result is going to be different because this is the nature of the models. Using the batch mode, you could literally generate multiple different videos at once. And this will happen in parallel, so you don't have to wait more time. And this could really speed up your workflow. In my previous videos, a lot of people have hated the dark mode. So literally, you just go up here and you can select light mode and boom, you got light mode. I would argue that light mode in our case is a lot better. It fits a lot better with the images that we've generated and the whole aesthetic. So I think in our use case, I should have actually used the white mode. Finally, if you need to take more credits, you could absolutely share and invite link with your friends. So this is a good option for people that don't have enough funds, maybe to buy a premium account. You could literally just go ahead and share this with friends and you could get some credits to run your own workflows. I'm not going to waste your time anymore. We're going to wait for the Veo 3.1 result and I'm going to show it to you. This is the first. This is absolutely amazing. Veo 3.1 is so good. We also can find different generations here, so let's try it out. I really love the transition. I really love the walking. It looks so beautiful. And also the shoe is exactly the same. So there's consistency there. So I would highly suggest two very specific options before I finish this video. Nano Banana Pro to generate your images and Veo 3.1 to generate your video. You will never be wrong with that. Thank you so much for watching and make sure to check out YouArt on the link down below in the description.